As cool as the street name, the house is no different. Welcome to another listed by Jiby Thomas. Today we are at 30 Snapdragon Lane here in the heart of Wigram. Owners built this home and have not cut any corners, offering 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, great indoor-outdoor floor with a nice living. Good fixtures including Fisher & Paykel appliances, integrated microwave, gas cooktop. Proximity to the landing is definitely a bonus. As you can see, the sun is pouring in. Something like this is not going to last in the market forever. I'm Jiby Thomas from Rare White. I'll see you guys at the open homes.